Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. This is my third month update on my 2-strand Microlock DIY installment. I started 3 months ago and this is how far where I am in my third month. This particular strand, that is my problem child. Every time I have to go back in and start all over again, but we will make it work. Let's pray we'll get it there. So far my third month here, I started rocking my hair to walk at about 2 month mark, and I've been getting a lot of compliments actually. This particular footage you're seeing and the next one you will see that's fresh from after I just finished interlocking. I stayed up all night, so you see my face, I look so tired, and the hair is not like I've not sprayed it with water yet, so that's why it's still not it look rough, but that was fresh from interlock. So my 3 month journey, I'll tell you, my hair is still I still have those 2-strand twists, especially at the edges, like at the ends. The parts that are locked right now at the towards my scalp, where I've gone twice to do interlocks, and I had to go back and, like, while I was doing my interlocks this time, I had to retwist some of my my strands because they were loosened up, and I found out that my hair is so shrinked, like, and so coily too. So I don't know if the curls are affecting my twist, but the shrinkage is real. If you've seen my previous videos, or especially my starter video, you'll notice that my hair was longer than this, and my edges, I'll give them credit this time. They're standing strong, holding the fort here. I didn't have to start any of my edges all over again, except for that stubborn one which I referenced before. But otherwise, I've gotten so many compliments with my hair, and I just rock it. I spray it, style it, and I just rock it naturally now. I don't even bother about wearing wigs. Truthfully, I am actually tired of wigs anyways, but I'm hopeful and looking forward to how this will eventually turn out. I pray it turns out well, which will be rewarding and fulfilling at the same time. But yeah, that is my 3 month update. This particular last clip is for my birthday, and you see me just rocking my natural locks. I loved it. They came out beautiful. But thank you for your support, for viewing my videos, and your encouragement in the comment sections. I appreciate it, and I love you all. Thank you.